Hi guys, it's Nikki, Creative Nikki's Homemade Craft. Today I would like to teach you how to crochet the lemon peel stitch. It is really easy and it makes a gorgeous texture. I'm going to use a different colored yarn so it's easier for you guys to see. So let's get started. Start with a multiple of 2. I like to go into the back bump of the chain. Start with a single crochet in the first one, and then a double crochet in the next one. Again, a single crochet in the following, and a double crochet after that. You're going to repeat this repeat of single crochet in one stitch and double crochet in the next stitch until the end of the row. Once you reach the end, turn. You're now going to place a single crochet on top of a double crochet and a double crochet on top of a single crochet. So you're just going to do that as long as you need. At the end of the row, you simply turn and repeat the process. You can easily use the stitch for rounds as well. Just make sure that always a single crochet is on top of a double crochet. But if you're doing it a multiple of 2, you should be fine. This stitch is ideal for hats, scarves, mittens, or fingerless gloves, or whatever you feel like it. It's even perfect for blankets and bags. I hope this stitch tutorial was helpful. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as my other social media pages. Be sure to check out the link in the description above or below to see the written pattern for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.